Okay, so let's get on with the normal review that we do each morning. This is the daily chart of the ES, and 4 in here, leading diagonal for the 1, 2 back, 1, A, B, C is an expanded flat for this 2. I think we've got a 1 just looking for a bit more of a pullback in the 2, and then we should be on our way to at least this 123.6 fib for the 3 of 3, which is the kind of standard expectation, is at 3015. I do think because of the fibs that project off this last substructure and the shallow 2, that we are much more likely to head up to the 138.2 or even the 1618 just for the 3 of 3 at 3055 to 3122. So I'm looking for a little bit more downside over the next day, maybe a little longer, and then this just to grind up and up and up from there on in. If I come down the time frames, this is the 4-hour chart. Just push this up here, and there's the top of the diagonal, there's the 2, there's the count for the 5 up to here, and that was a hit on the 618 fib extension. So that's the length of this one here projected up off this 2. That's textbook stuff. A down, you can see there's 5 in there, so I think A wave, B up, A, B, C for the C down for this 2 here. 5 up to here, A down into the low that was on Monday evening, then the B up into yesterday's high, and I think we're just in the early squiggles of this C down here with a target of 28.38, possibly 28.30 in the ES. Then down to an hourly time frame, there's a target zone for the rest of the retrace. There's the 5 down for the A wave on into Monday night's low, B here, and I think we've got a 1-2 set up, and we should come lower. So 28.38, the top end of the target zone, is most likely, with the possibility we go down to 28.30. So watching that this morning for another short entry if you're not still short from yesterday. Just coming again, this is the 15-minute chart. There's that 5-wave move. There's the ABC back here. Really scrappy diagonal down for the 1 into the overnight low. And I think we're still in this 2. We haven't quite got to the 618 retrace yet. But if once we do, the 618 is at 28.64, the 786 at 28.66. So expecting it into there, then down in the 3 to 28.46 after that. And then what I've done is brought all of that over onto the day trading chart. Here we go. So you've got the day trading levels as well as the micro count on this chart. There's the B wave at yesterday's high. There's the diagonal down for the 1. I think this morning's high here was an A, then an A, B, C for this B, and we're getting another A, B, C or something, or a diagonal up here. This is the zone I'm looking to short it again for a move down. So if you're still short from yesterday, I'm not. I took it out this morning and want to restrike it up here. Then you want your stops at 28.67 now. But hoping that you all took some money out of that, and it was only half the position left on anyway, but that's where you want your stop, and then reshort it again this morning if not, or add back the other half if you've still got half there. And then we're looking for the move down. Here's the target zone initially. Obviously we need to get back below the blue line at 57.50, and then the orange line at 56 once we come off the 2. So expecting into the open a push higher still, then down. If we break the blue line at any point, I would short it there anyway, because I think we're then in this 3. So that's what I've got in the ES this morning.